Hi, it's Nick Isabella, igus' lead screw product specialist, here to talk to you today about lead screw automation being used in vending machines and kiosks. A lot of people don't realize just how much that goes into an automated kiosk system, and lead screws are a big part of that. igus provides solutions for a number of different food and beverage kiosk vending machines. For example, a coffee barista system. Key benefits to using an igus solution in these applications is the fact that we can provide FDA-compliant materials that have a long service life. This is attributed to the fact that our materials are self-lubricating and quiet. Some other applications where igus' dry spin lead screws are being used behind the scenes include key cutting applications, food preparation and pickup, as well as ATMs. To find out more about how igus can be used in one of your kiosk applications, check out the link below. Thanks for watching.